What if I told you there's a medieval town where people lived for nearly 1,000 years without realizing they were walking on the remains of a cosmic collision? Welcome to Nordlingen, Germany, a perfectly preserved medieval city built inside one of the world's best preserved asteroid impact craters. Nestled in Bavaria's rolling countryside, this remarkable town sits within the Nördlinger Ries, a massive crater formed 15 million years ago when an asteroid traveling at 70,000 kilometers per hour slammed into Earth. The impact was so powerful it vaporized the asteroid and created a crater 25 kilometers wide, leaving behind a perfectly circular depression that would eventually cradle human civilization. From above, Nordlingen appears almost too perfect to be natural. Its circular medieval walls follow the crater's rim with uncanny precision, creating a town that looks like it was designed by cosmic architects. The impact created a unique geological formation called Suevite, a rock filled with microscopic diamonds formed under the extreme pressure of the collision. For centuries, residents unknowingly built their homes and churches using these diamond-bearing stones. The town's stunning St. George's Church, with its 90-meter tower you can climb for panoramic views, is literally constructed from cosmic debris. Every brick tells the story of that ancient celestial encounter. The crater's secret remained hidden until 1960, when American geologist Eugene Shoemaker identified the telltale signs of impact. Suddenly, this quiet Bavarian town became a window into Earth's violent cosmic history. NASA even used Nördlingen as a training ground for Apollo astronauts, recognizing similarities between the crater and lunar impact sites. Walking through Nördlingen today feels like stepping into a fairy tale. The completely intact medieval wall stretches for 2.7 kilometers, making it one of only 3 German cities with fully preserved fortifications. Cobblestone streets wind between half-timbered houses, while the scent of fresh pretzels drifts from traditional bakeries. The Rieskrater-Museum reveals the dramatic story of the impact, displaying shocked minerals and explaining how this cosmic collision shaped the landscape. Visitors can hold actual pieces of the meteorite and examine the microscopic diamonds scattered throughout the local stone. What makes Nordlingen truly extraordinary isn't just its cosmic origins, but how seamlessly human history has woven itself into this geological marvel. Here, medieval craftsmanship meets cosmic catastrophe, creating a living testament to both Earth's violent past and humanity's remarkable ability to build beauty from destruction. This unique intersection of geology and history reminds us that our planet carries the scars and gifts of cosmic encounters, sometimes hidden in the most unexpected places.